Howdy Wall Street Willie, what are the advantages of investing in tips? The biggest and most obvious advantage of tips is their protection against inflation, which means your money retains its value no matter how high inflation is. You also get interest on the inflation-adjusted principal amount. They also offer deflation protection. This means that at the time of maturity, you will get the original or the inflation-adjusted principal, whichever is higher. This guarantees that you will never get less than the original principal. Tips are tradable on an exchange, so you can sell them at any time if you are in need of money. Also, since tips are backed by the US government, there is no risk of losing the principal. And like all US government securities, the interest from tips is exempt from state and local income tax. You only need to pay federal income tax. Are there any disadvantages of tips? The biggest disadvantage of tips is what's known as phantom income. The increase in tips principal based on inflation is treated as taxable income. This means you must pay federal income tax on this principal increase even though you didn't actually receive that money. A good way to offset this is to invest in tips through a tax-advantaged investment account, such as a 401k or IRA. Since tips offer inflation protection, their interest rate is generally lower than that of other US Treasury securities, putting them at a disadvantage during times of low inflation. While tips don't carry any credit risk as they are guaranteed by the US government, they do carry interest rate risk, meaning when the interest rates are rising, their market price falls like any other bond. Also, during deflationary times, tips value as well as the interest earned go down. So if an investor sells tips in the secondary market, they may get less than what they originally paid. Who should invest in tips? Tips are a great choice for investors who want to preserve the value of their savings, especially in times of rising prices such as recent years. This makes them an attractive investment for retirees. However, due to their virtually risk-free nature, tips offer much lower returns than other higher-risk investments such as stocks. So if you're young and investing for growth, alternatives like the stock market are a better choice. If you do choose to invest in tips, using an ETF that focuses on tips could be a convenient way to do so. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.